What is up, traders? Welcome back. Today was not a better day in my opinion. I think it was probably the same day as yesterday. Yeah, not a solid trading day in my opinion. Again, so what happened was I got a fresh eval yesterday and I actually failed it instantly. Because I'm an idiot and I don't know what I'm doing. So but I accidentally had my limit order right here and my finger slipped on my mouse. I got filled, of course, and it was 10 full lot on NQ. This is, by the way, NQ, and I basically instantly got stopped out. This move right here it just took me out. So I was like, okay, well, that's how I'm gonna start my day today. Great. So anyways, I'm not gonna go over the NQ trades. Basically, you can see it here. Again, this right here is a solid trade in my opinion. Again, I break new low in place, it's a higher low, all that good stuff. This one I got too trigger happy. I should have waited for actual test of the lows, which happened on the next candle, and that's when I actually entered again. Back-to-back trades, not really like that action, but hey, if the price action is there, I'll take it. Third trade, congestion, it happens. These two trades, garbage, don't even want to talk about them. And then my last trade was actually a pretty decent trade. Again, I kind of had this channel sort of like this, so break new low in place, but you can also have it as this, so break new low in place. So, and you can clearly see there's a lot of support here. I got a nice little runner on that. So those are my NQ trades. Again, I'm not gonna really go over them in detail, but ES, I mean, ES just does not like me. ES does not like me, and I know ES doesn't care who I am. I'm just talking in general, yeah, doesn't want to cooperate. Again, I traded the eval on NQ, and I was up $1,000, and on the PA I was trading the ES and I'm down 230. So, and the reason you can't see the closed profits and losses because I'm recording this video at 8 o'clock, so this is already new trading day started. So but yeah, you can see it here. So either way, so the first trade on the ES was dumb. I mean, I was just like, what are you doing? Break new low already in place. You can clearly see there's some support here, or I was just trying to go, high or lower 3 times, basically twice, but you can technically 3 times, but you can clearly see it's getting rejected. And stupid me, trying to go short, of course, got stopped out. This is the second tree long failure here. Now this was risky again because I'm going short into resistance. I guess I haven't learned my lesson in this one. But I figure we might, if we break this level, I figure we might get a scalp. Maybe just a scalp, and I got like, I think a scalp in a quarter, yeah. And I did have a measured move on the range already in place, so I figure we might come down to the actual measured move, which we did. So this one definitely a lucky trade. And then this one I see it as a failed breakout, basically. Nice bullish bar, break new low already in place. And I chickened out. But then so funny, I skipped this trade, right? And then I go long here for like why do you, what is like second trade long? I mean, there's no trading. There's just garbage. Yeah, and then my last trade in ES was second tree short again. Kind of, you can adjust this range, but I figured the midline was kind of being still in play, and kind of bounces off perfectly. And I figured we kind of away from the EMA. I figured we might come down a little bit and test it, and that's pretty much exactly what happened. And the risk was pretty minimal too. It was point and a quarter, point and a half. So that was my trades on the ES. Yeah, not really happy about trading day to day. Even though I made $1,000 on the NQ, I'm still not quite happy with my trading. So, but it's just a work in progress. We'll see what tomorrow brings. I think I'm gonna keep trading the PA. I need to start slowly transitioning into trading the PAs. I can't I just can't doing the evals. Because I feel like I feel like I'm getting to a point where I don't really care about evals because Apex has 80% off every other month pretty much. So, and I need to take PAs a little bit more seriously. So, and actually these trades were only 2 contracts. So it's not like I'm going ham with, I think this is 25k account, so you can only trade 4 contracts. But still, I'm not using all 4 contracts to trade. I'm just doing 2. And honestly speaking, 2 is my comfort zone. That's where I'm comfortable with. So but yeah, I think the evals I just truly honestly just trying to pass him as fast as I can, and I just don't care about him. So I need to transition slowly into the PAs and kind of bring down my speed a little bit and just kind of take it easy a little bit. So I think that's what I'm gonna keep doing. And maybe next week I'll try to trade in Q only, because honestly I feel like I have better luck, I should say, on NQ, just because it does move, it does move, quite, what's the word I'm looking for, volatile, I guess. So even though that today was a slow day in the market, I still saw some moves on NQ, and I took some nice decent trades. So maybe I do a little experiment and I'll just do NQ trades only next week and see how I do. But yeah, done for the day. I've been done for the day. Anyway, I'm gonna just get off and see you guys, I guess, tomorrow. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.